So guys, I've been getting the question all the time. I felt I had to make a video just to get this out there. What's the difference between roll-on and pour-on of our Ekopel products? So the main difference is that the roll-on is far more user-friendly. It took me 4 years to figure out how to make it work, and tons of destroyed pieces, but I finally figured it out, and obviously I've shared it in some of my other videos showing how to roll it on. So can pour-on kits be used for roll-on? No, they can't. So we have had customers call in asking, I rolled on the first coat and then I waited the time and then the rest of the bucket was hardened. That's because that's not a roll-on kit, that's a pour-on kit. So they're two completely different products. It's almost exactly the same formula, but the roll-on comes in two separate containers and has slightly different additives that make it more rollable. So they are not the same thing, so don't be confused by that. But the roll-on is going to be friendly for walls, it's going to be friendly for bathtubs, it's going to be friendly for tile. You can use it on pretty much anything, anytime you want. Whereas the pour-on, if you're looking for the thickest, strongest material that you can lay on a bathtub, it's completely bulletproof. So bathtub only, sink, anything like that is something that will be usable. But if you continue to use it on walls or anything like that, you're gonna get drips and things of that nature. You cannot separate it and use it for two coats. This is a one coat product. So again, we have to keep the mind state of the roll-on product is made as a roll-on product for whatever substrate you're trying to use it on. The pour-on is the pour-on. So presently we're about a month into the time that we've started selling the roll-on material, and we have already completely surpassed the pour-on because it's being received by pros, it's being received by the military, it's being received by hotels. All of these people want an easier process, and you guys are all the ones that needed our support. It took us a long time to figure out how to make this work, but at this point we're the only odorless rollable material on the market. When you look at a finished piece versus spraying heavy solvent-based materials, you're not going to be able to pick out the difference between the two. So the future is now, and the future is here. Go with the roll-on. If you have experience with the pour-on, you can use it, but keep in mind, like I said, I've said it 10 times in this video, they are two separate products. So if we get a call saying, how come half of the bucket got hardened halfway through the process, the reason that happened is because you didn't use the roll-on product. So